Last week I made a video talking about these inserts that I designed for this case to store my medium format and 35mm film, and the feedback I received is that people need more space for their medium format. 6 slots wasn't enough, so I designed inserts for this. This case is the same price as the clear case, about $14, but it can store up to 24 rolls of medium format film. It can also store 35mm film, but the other one's a lot more fun, and you can store like 14 rolls of 35mm in that one, so I'd really recommend printing it out for that case. Unfortunately, these tray sections do have to be printed with support, but it's just a very, very small overhang, so it's really not that big of a deal. Especially on something like a Bamboo Lab printer, it prints without any issues. I did my prototyping for this model on an Ender 3, and while this model specifically is printed on a P1S, it had no problems on the Ender 3 either. So it is watertight and also airtight for storing inside of the refrigerator, so you don't let the condensation get in. And both sides of the case print in about 2 hours. The models for the inserts, as well as the film canisters for both the 35mm and the medium format, are up on makerworld. So if you want to download those are free and available now.